media marketing has grown in popularity due to rise in social media users. It has become one of the highest paying skills. Many young people aspire to become social media marketer. They think as they spend so much time on internet, why shouldn't they make money out of it? So today, in this video, we'll talk about what social media marketing is and top free social media marketing courses which you could use and start your career in social media marketing and start generating income. I'm Harsha. I'm a tutor and a content writer. My blog Aspire Wisdom is dedicated to help you people find best e-learning platforms out there and to find free e-learning courses. I post a blog each and every week and I also post the videos. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. What is social media marketing? Social media marketing or SMM is a form of marketing which is done on social media platforms like YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and other social media platforms. When you see an ad while watching a YouTube video, it's a type of an ad which is used by a businessman or some other people to advertise their product. As social media user grows, more and more business are going online because they need to advertise their product on social media as it is the great way to attract the potential customer towards their product and services. So, the social media marketing is in high demand. According to the data of 2022, 403 million users in India uses social media. And there are 4.55 billion active users of social media. The more time people spend on social media, the more the demand for social media marketing is growing. So let's get an example of what social media ad looks like. So when you scroll through Instagram or Facebook, you see a sponsored tag on the Instagram post or a Facebook post. When that tag appears, that means that particular user is advertising that particular post on social media. Whenever a post is advertised on social media, there is a tag called ad or sponsored written over there. Advertisements on social media are marked as sponsored. These are paid advertisements that a marketer or a business owner pays to run to reach the potential customer, to spread awareness about their product and services. So now that we know what social media marketing is and what advertisement looks like on social media, so now let's discuss 7 free social media marketing courses that you need to take to start your social media marketing career. First, Introduction to Social Media Marketing. This course is provided by Meta, also known as Facebook Blueprint. This course is the basic course that will help you to understand everything about social media marketing. Even if you are a beginner and you don't know anything about social media marketing, this course will help you to understand the basics and will take you one step ahead in establishing your career. You will find this course on Coursera. It's a free audit course. The duration of course is 15 hours. If you want to get the certificate, you'll have to pay for it. Second, Social Media Marketing course. This course is provided by HubSpot Academy. This is a free certification course. After completing the course, you will also get a free certificate by HubSpot Academy. This course will help you to learn how to strategize your social media content, how to monetize it, how to build a proper strategy that will help you boost your customer engagement and many more. This course, as I said in the beginning, comes with a free certificate. It's a totally free course and it is provided by HubSpot Academy. The duration of this course is 5 hours and this course is best suited for the intermediate level. If you are starting as a beginner, please go through the first course that I've provided and then continue with it. So it will help you to understand social media marketing more. Third, Social Media Marketing and Content Strategy. This course is available on Coursera and is provided by Digital Marketing Institute. This course will help you to understand how to plan your content strategies and how to implement it for better results. This course is beginner level of course on Coursera and you can get it for free audit. The duration of this course is 11 hours. Paid certificates are available. Fourth, Social Media Monitoring. This free course is on Udemy. This course will help you to learn and understand how to monitor social media strategies. This course will help you to understand how to research the right keywords to monitor Google related research, Facebook monitoring, Twitter monitoring, LinkedIn monitoring, etc. In this course, you will understand how to monitor your social media advertisements so you can get better result out of it. You will find this course on Udemy. The duration of the course is 3 hours. It's a beginner level of course and it's totally for free. If you want to get the certificate, you'll have to pay for it. If you want to understand what audit is, please visit my blog, Aspire Wisdom. I have a step-by-step tutorial over there how to audit courses for Coursera. Fifth, strategic social media marketing. This course is provided by Boston University and it's available on edX. This social media marketing course will help you to understand how to develop social media marketing strategy, how to develop and deliver content that engage consumer, how social media marketing can help to understand the behavior of the consumer, and how to manage social media. This course is a beginner level course. The duration of the course is 10 plus hours. The course is provided by Boston University. Paid certificates are available. Sixth, social media data analytics. This course is provided by University of Washington and this course is available on Coursera. This course will help you understand how to collect data from social medias and which tools you need to use that data for your social media ad campaign. Data analysis is very important as you need to understand what consumers are looking for and what your competitors are doing. With this course, you can easily understand that. This course is intermediate level. The course duration is 13 hours. The course is free for audit and it is provided by University of Washington. Paid certificates are available. Seventh, advertising with Meta. This course again is provided by Meta and it's on Coursera. This course is great for Facebook and Instagram advertisement as this course will tell you everything, how to schedule your ad, how to structure ads on Meta Ad Manager, how to place the ad, how to set a budget of the ad, how to schedule your ads. So this course will definitely tell you everything about the marketing and how to place the ads and everything for Facebook and Instagram. It's provided by Meta itself, so it's a great course to start with. This course is available on Coursera. It's a beginner level course. The duration of the course is 10 hours. It's a free audited course and paid certificates are available. So this is it. Those are the 7 courses that I wanted to share with you today. Social media marketing is a sought after skill and it's very highly in demand. If you use the social media marketing free courses, you will develop great skills and you will understand each and everything properly. These courses will help you to develop everything. The first 6 courses that I've stated out for you, you can use it in levels. Enroll in all the 6 courses one by one. Don't do it all together. Get one down and then go on to the next. Take it as a whole detailed course for social media marketing which is provided you in 6 levels. The links for all the courses will be provided in the description below. And along with the links for the courses, I'm also adding a link for my article which is a step-by-step guide on how to audit course on Coursera. Do read that article. It will help you to audit the course on Coursera and get the courses for free. I have an article on Aspire Wisdom which states 15 free social media marketing courses. The 7 of which just I stated in this video and the rest you can go and see over there. Read that article. It will help you to find more free courses on social media. So do subscribe my channel and ring that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Like this video and share it with friends and family. And let me know in the comments if you want me to create such other videos. Bye for now. See you in next video.